Hello everyone, this is SurajBaviskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel SurajBaviskar Trading. Today we'll review IPO of New Swan Multitech Limited IPO. So New Swan Multitech Limited company specializes in precision engineered components and parts. This company operates in two key sectors, automotive and agriculture. In automotive domain, it produces a range of precision machine tabular assemblies, welded assemblies, precision brackets and sheet metal parts which are crucial for two-wheeler vehicles. In agriculture sector, they design, manufacture various implements to cater diverse farming needs including rotovators, super seeders, weeders and other soil preparation, sowing and harvesting equipment. So this is the business of a New Swan Multitech Limited IPO, and IPO is opening on 11th of January and closing on 15th of January. This company, New Swan Multitech Limited company, is trying to get 33.11 crores of total IPO, and lot size is 2000 shares and IPO range is 62 to 66 per share. So total amount 66 into 2000. So you have to allocate 1,32,000 for this IPO if you want to apply. Basis of allotment will be on 16th of January, and credit of share to demat account or refund of amount will be on 17th of January. This IPO is listed on NSE on 18th of January. Moving on to financials of New Swan Multitech Limited IPO. Revenues of the company has increased for last 3 years, and same with the PAT. PAT has also increased tremendously. So fundamentally company looks good. Guys, this IPO review is for educational purpose only. I am not SEBI registered advisor. Consult your financial advisor before applying IPO.